Alright guys, it is late. Boys are here. I got more people showing up to work. We'll pretty much have more content coming up this week than we ever had before. And yep, 8.6, GTR, 911. We knocking them, you know what I'm saying? Chop, chop. So we have a new guy working with us now. Spencer, say hey.
What's up?
There is a lot happening the next week, and Spencer is going to be taking care of some crusty GTR stuff. So you guys probably wondered why she never got off the lift, and it's because rust. So some of the most notorious rust you see, look at all these guys unloading stuff. Sharon, say what's up to the YouTube, you know what I'm saying?
What up?
And I'm gonna go help them unload stuff now, so you know, yep. So it's the next day. I've been tired. About to start the day's work. Everybody's about to waking up. Just went eating breakfast with my parents, and it's going to be a beautiful day. So I'm beyond excited to get started. Spencer's here. He's someone I've been talking to about for a while about doing panel repair and stuff, and it's finally about to happen. So this is a long time coming. He's going to be doing a lot of stuff. A lot of the other projects and stuff all actually kind of revolve around him and him coming out and helping me. So for what we're doing, very, very few people will be willing to just kind of start cutting stuff up and be like, yeah, I can fix that. But I've seen the stuff that he does, and he can definitely go in there and make it happen. So tune in. Here we go. All right, so we're about to take her apart. Just want to look at her one more time. But last look, and from here on she's gonna have the whole ass end ripped out of it, and then once this week is over, hopefully it's back together and on the ground, new coilovers, and I'm gonna drive it. We'll drive this car, I promise. We will take something on the road for once. Don't know why I do this, but I do. She will be on the road soon. So we are now starting to strip the back half, starting off with the exhaust, then the drive shaft, rear end, and we start cutting out the metal, then making our stencils. So here we go. about to drop the diff. I'll show you guys what we will be fixing in just a moment, but we've managed to drop the strut bolts. All right, and then we've zip tied the calipers to the body. So now when we go to put it back on, we just put it on the coilovers, and we can pretty much just zip the 4 bolts off, and we'll show you what we're going to be fixing. Hold on, don't do too much. Don't do too much. All right, don't do anymore, don't do anymore, because we have... Rusty.
Yeah, this is, there were a couple ways this could have gone. This is a good way.
Yeah. Hey,
this is the best way.
Hey, man, it's my dubs.
What's up, pup?
It's my dubs. He's in here, Teddy.
My cat's name is Teddy.
It's what I mean. Teddy just knows that once Django show up over here, he's not gonna listen to anyone else. He's like a good dog, but he's like an asshole about like certain things. Your dog. Yeah, he's like my dubs. Yeah. Now that this is out, it looks way less rusty.
Yeah.
You know? Like, it really, really does.
Yeah, it was pretty well protected up in here, it looks like. So it's just this part right here where they kind of meet. We don't know what it looks like under the...
This is probably the worst. Right here. But we can grind that down and just...
I was gonna say, well, the sandblaster will do that. That'll make that easy.
I probably wouldn't put a sandblaster on that. I'd just probably just put the sandpaper on there and just actually sand it off.
Gotcha. All right.
But yeah, all the inner frame rail.
Well, it's a wet blast or something. A sandblaster. It uses black beauty, like charcoal.
Okay. I thought you said it would make a mess in here.
Yeah. But if we could put it out towards the front.
Okay. All right, so we'll probably end up doing that then. That's the whole Tesla pump thing. So that would just pretty much clean up just about everything back here.
Yeah. Like it would take you a couple of days with a grinder in here, and it would never be perfect. This will take it down to bare metal like in a half hour.
It's efficiency right there.
Yeah.
Quite efficient.
Alrighty then. And it's like, it's worse on the ass end. It's like, and now that that's gone, like we actually have really, really good, clean access.
Yeah. I don't think we'll really have to get back there, but if there is anything back there, that'll have to come out. But
I don't think there is anything back here.
You don't have a bore scope, do you?
Huh?
You don't have a bore scope?
Gas tanks can be plastic, bro.
Yeah, but on top of it, the metal on top, like the floor.
I think it's gonna be fine, bro. If this is all as clean as that, but we'll get it. I'll stick the camera up there and we'll see.
Okay.
So, yep. We did all of this to fix that.
Trust we trust.
Put your finger in it.
Where? Here? Oh, that. Oh. Oh.
You can't get any fingers through the bottom?
Here?
Yeah, put your fingers through it.
I think you're kidding me.
Finger it. How many fingers will it take?
The tip of a pinky.
This will burn your ass.
And $500 later, we have finished our shopping at Harbor Freight. I've pretty much bought loads and loads of grinders, sanders, rust stuff, things. You name it, I probably bought it. So, I can't believe how fast we got the rear subframe out. It was pretty amazing that like it just went smooth. Because let me tell you something. Up until that point, man, this thing has fought so hard. And now it's finally at a point where like it just kind of went okay. So thank you to the car people involved in making sure that went better. Because it sucked. So we'll be back at the house in just a second and we can get back on it. It's kind of dark out, but we are shopping for metal. No, I'm just kidding though. For real, we actually are shopping for metal. To make sure we have inner, outer structural pieces in similar bends and shapes in the area that we're going to try to work with. So yes, we're going to use parts of a Mazda 3 to cut up and put on my GTR.
Works in the WD-40 in there so we don't bust the bolts off.
And it's weird because the rust is only on this side. All the other cars that we were even seeing that were getting repaired had rust all the way over here. It's just like cruddy.
Yeah, there's a little bit up in there.
But it's not like rotted. It won't need any like repair work like the front corners.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to delete this whole pump and shit over here?
Yeah, we're probably just gonna take it off altogether. Probably just put it. I might put it back in. I might not. I'm not sure. Cause I'm gonna put it even when I do pull them. I'm doing RB30 in here.
RB30?
Yeah, I'm going for 6.7,
yeah.
800 wheel, like reliable. RB26s are so expensive. I'm gonna do it. Why not, right?
Yeah. Which head are you gonna use? 25 or 26?
26.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Absolutely.
That'll be dope.
It will. You're going 6-speed too.
I've always wanted to put a Barra in something. You can get them now, and they're not that expensive. Or at least last time I looked,
right,
$2,600.
It's kind of weird that Ford makes so many good motors that we don't get in America.
Yeah.
It's like, what?
It's all right, though. We got the LSs.
We do have LSs. So once we use the sandblasters thing on this, it's going to just change what everything looks back here.
Yeah, it's going to be shiny, like new metal. it'll have like a flat finish because it'll be kind of rough, but
Awesome.
It'll be new metal.
It's kind of weird too that on both sides someone cut these corners off already too.
Yeah, they're probably rusted out already.
They probably did it to maybe stop it.
Yeah. Looks like they did over here. Can't tell if this factory.
I don't think it is.
That might have been something to do with the body kit too.
No, I put these on.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't. I didn't cut that. All right, y'all. So this video is just basically us prepping the GTR for rust repair. So next few videos, we're actually going to be doing the repair, putting the car back together, and then actually driving the car around for the first time in a while. So tune in. Videos will be coming out consistently right now. So thank you guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.